Hello everyone, this is Manoj from Madlookz VFX and I welcome all of you to the next episode of Creative Contest which is going to happen in July month, and I was really happy to see those two submissions which we got from Sachin Patra and Krishnadas for the contest which happened in May month, and I really want to congratulate both of you. Also, Krishnadas got a small token of prize as he is the winner of the contest. I'm really looking forward to see some amazing outputs again from both of you. I was a little disappointed last time because we got only 2 submissions. I really want to see much more participation in this contest so that the contest will be more fun. Definitely I'm not earning a lot of money from YouTube so that I can give you a lot of fancy prizes and all, but the collective of this contest is just to share knowledge and to be more creative. So let's see what our input looks like for this creative contest. Yeah, so let's jump into the screen.
Okay, so here we have the input, and as you can see there is a lady sitting over here. Another lady is just drawing her in a drawing board. So you can do a lot of creative stuff over here. You can just remove this complete drawing and replace a drawing over here. Even you can remove this lady as well, and you can replace there with some CG character or something like that, which you can easily download from Mixamo. And you can remove this entire BG, or you can remove this table, or you can do a lot of beauty fixes over this lady. You can make her even younger or even older. So I guess I can see a lot of creative outputs from every one of you who is going to participate in this contest. So I am really excited to see those rendered results. Cool.
Okay, so I guess you people are excited about the contest just like me, and I have mentioned the terms and conditions in the description of the video. If you guys have any queries, just comment it down. I will get back to you as soon as possible. So I wish all the best, and let the creativity flow.